라소 니 정말로 다시 델레 데보 임베 계란초 데보 임베
Nghe để bôi
Depoyin.
yin phê, để bôi yin,
대보인.
để bôi yin.
Depoyin.
대보인.
so 데보 인 like this. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, laso. So today we will practice, okay? Practice reading and answering, questioning also. Okay. Oh yeah. So this. Okay. Hola, so Trashidelek. Ni Sonia la tujiche la so.
그치.
La so Sonia la tujiche la so Trashidelek Sangma la Trashidelek. La inda. La tering anzo to sam jongdar cheki in. Practice cheki in. 하고 있어. 야 Sonia la inda. Sonia la keran depo impe.
Depoyin.
응?
Nga depoyin.
That's it. nga depo in. 야구를 없어. 아니 계란키 민 가리래.
Nghe Minh Sonia về.
빼고 라스 도지체 니 소냐라 계란 가네인
Nga Hamburg
아하
nghe yin.
나 햄버거 네 빼고 오케이 양결인데 양결 소냐라 again 계란 기민 가리래
Nghe Minh Sonia về.
빼고 or 네민 소냐 인 you can say both okay
Yin. Yeah. Mhm.
야골랍송 now if I ask you 계란 기 족부 민 가리래 계란기 족부 민 가리래.
Tropö.
응,
Tropö.
응. No problem. 족부 is friend. 봐.
Ah.
족부 friend래. The here akikui is a genitive particle. Friend 민 하고 숨어. 응. 계란기 족부 민 가리래.
Nghe Tropö. Hi Minh Tenzin về.
That's it. 왜하고 도지시. 이 족부 When you already add here pu akigui, you don't have to say ki again. Okay? Like this. Nye chokpe ming tenzin re. Like this. 하고 송아. 오야. 따인다. 계란기 chokme ming 가르래. chokmo female friend. Male friend.
It's still me or?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Yes. Sorry, I thought you asked somebody else. Say again. Read again.
라스로. 계란기 chokme 민 가르래.
Nghe trok møy Minh Angelica về.
That's it. 하고 숨어 빼하고. Now if you have a kid, I can ask you. 계란기 부그 민 가르래.
Nghe puk Huku.
레레, 후쿠,
Mikere.
미켈레, 빼야고. 미켈라, 트라시 델렉. Like this. Okay? Oh, yeah. 다인다. Then if I ask you, 탭, 디초, 수레, 탭, 디초, 수레. 탭, 디초, 수레.
Tep ditso kirankire.
That's it. That's it. If I ask you, 탭, 디초, 케랑키레페.
Tep ditso kirankire.
케랑키레페.
Nee. Tep ditso ne mare.
That's
Kerang.
네 말에 계란기래. Like this. 빼야고, 야구 랍송, 투지치. 빼야고 랍송. Okay? You know how to answer them already. All of this. 하고 one question. 야구 랍송. 다인다. 투지치 소냐라. 라소. 다인다. 야, 로드리골라인다. 로드리골라. 로드리골라 계란 대보인베.
Depoyin Niming Rodrigo re.
빼야고.
Oh.
Now if I ask you, 계란기 민 가레레.
What's your name?
레레. 민 가레레.
Ming Carrere. Ming Rodrigo re.
That's it. You can say nge Ming Rodrigo Re.
Ming Rodrigo re.
That's it. 아니 계란기 족부 민 가레레.
Truppe Ming Mark re.
That's it. 네 족부 민 마크레. 양결송당.
Friend's name is Mark. Yes.
한고승아. 송당. Can you repeat? 네 족부
네.
민.
Nye Truppe Ming Mark re.
That's it. Okay. Then if I ask you, 계란기 북구 민 가레레.
Nga
네.
Poku Nye Poku Ming Mandarava re.
That's it. Mandaravala Trashidelek. Okay. Now if I ask you, 탭 디초 수레.
Mare.
탭 디초
Tep
수레.
Tep Titsok Tenzin Ki re.
That's it. Tenzin kire. Like this. If I ask you, 탭 디초 케랑 키레페.
Tep Titsok Tenzin re.
댄싱 키레.
Ki.
댄싱 키레. You can say 네 마레.
Ne
댄싱
mare.
키레. Like this. Okay? Right now we are practicing how to use these genitive particles. 하고서마. Okay? Like this. 아니 도지체. That's it. 로드리고라 도지체. 라소. 야, 다 제클라인다. 제클라. 제클라 다시 델렉. 다시 델렉 제클라. 계란기 족부 민 가레레. 계란기 족부 민 가레레.
네 Trogpo Ming Daniel Ray.
데니엘 레 빼하고. 콩 가네레.
Kong England 네 Ray.
Ale. Ani Deb ditso Daniel ki repe.
Tab ditso Daniel Mare. Tab ditso Kerankire.
Daniel ki mare kerang ki re.
Daniel.
How goes ma? Okay. Peago. That's it. Yabu lapso. Tujiche. Lasso.
Tujiche.
Yeah, en clair la inda. En clair la. Tashi delek.
Tashi de.
En clair la. Depo imbe.
Nye tepoyin. Tujiche.
Nga depo yin, you can say.
Nga tepoyin.
Lasso. Ani en clair la. Kerang kane yin.
Nya England neyin.
Ale. Lasso. Ani kerang ki chokmu ming karere. Kerang ki chokmu ming karere.
Nye trokmo ming Joe re.
That's it. Joe re. Yabu lapso. Kong kane re.
Kong England re. Nere.
England ne re pe. Kapar di kerang ki re pe.
Kapar di Nye mare. Nye mare. Tenzenki.
Tenzinki re. Finish this.
Re. Tenzenki re.
Kapar di nge mare. Kapar di tenzinki re. Or you can say kerang ki re. Use pronoun.
Keranki. Yeah.
Right? Okay. Tujiche. Lasso.
Lasso.
Yes. Siwar la inda. Siwar la. Tashidelek.
Tashidelek tensuna.
Tashidelek siwar la. Kerang gomde ne impe.
Re. Nga. Can you say one more time?
Kerang gomde ne repe. Inpe.
Re. Nga. Gomdene in.
Lasso. Tujiche. Na siwar la. Kerang ki chokpe ming karere.
Nge Drogba Ming Rodrigo re.
Ale. Rodrigo Canere.
Rodrigo Holland ne re.
Ale hakoso. Ani Deb ditso Rodrigo kirebe.
Tepti Rodrigo ditso Rodrigo Kim Mare. Teptitso Kiranki re.
That's it. Yahoo lapso. Tujiche siwadla. Lasso. Yeah, Wangmola in the Wangmola. Wangmola Dashidelek. Dashdele Wangmola Kiranki Chokme Ming Karire.
Nge chokme min dekire.
Lasso Dikila Kanere.
Dekira pönere.
Ale Lasso. Ani Deb ditso Diki kirebe.
Tep dicho deki ki mare. Tep dicho kerankire.
Ale Lasso. Tujiche Wangmola. O Dharala imbe. Da Dharala inda.
Lasso.
Dashidelek.
Tashidele.
Dharala Kiranki Ming Karire.
Nge Ming Darare.
Ale Kirang Kanein.
Kerang Bangkok neyin.
Nga Bangkok.
Nga Bangkok neyin.
Ale ni Darala Kiranki Chokme Ming Karire.
nghe
Keranki
thuộc mô
Chokme Karere.
nghe thuộc mô min nipare
Ale, Kong Kanere.
khung Bangkok này re
Kapar di Keranki Repe.
couple đi Tenzin re
Tenzin Kire.
Tenzin ki re yeah
Keranki Repe.
nghe mà re couple đi khung ki re
Keranki Re. Like this. Agosunga. Peyago. Tarala Tujiche.
Jesse, thank you
Lasso, Nurmala in the Nurmala.
나
Nurmala Tashi Delek.
다시 들래.
Nurmala Tep Ditso. Keranki Tokmu Repe.
말에 탭 뒤서 네 독모 말에 계란기래.
Peyago. Keranki Tokmu Min Karere.
나 독모 민 팡팡래.
Ni Tokmu.
네 독모 민 팡팡래.
Ale. Fang Kanere.
팡팡 타일랜드 데
Ale, lasso. Kong Depo Repe.
데보 인데.
Kong Depo
콩
Repe.
데보 인.
Lasso. Tujiche. Nurmala. Lasso. Ta Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la. Touch the lake. Marcelo la yobe. Hello. Ale. Ani Nimala inda. Nimala. Touch the lake.
Hello.
Okay. Marcelo la next inda. Nimala touch the lake.
다시 들래.
Touch the lake. Nimala keran depo imbe.
전마 결명도 복지시야.
Lasso. Ani Nimala keranki chokpe min karere.
나라 족포 치키하며.
Ale lasso keyo mare. Ni sangin ne. Nga keranki chokpo cheki in.
어서
Lasso. Ani Nimala. Tep ditso keranki repe.
대 디소 가장 가래래.
Tep ditso keranki marepe.
말해. 예, 말해.
Sure. Tep ditso sure.
고마성.
Tep ditso ngere. Hakosme.
계란기인 게래.
Re ngere. Tep ditso. Hakosma. Lasso. Tujiche Nimala. Lasso. Ta inda. Marcelo la inda. Marcelo la. Marcelo la. Keran depo imbe.
Yen, nadepo yen, tuktiche.
Lasso. Marcelo la. Keran kane in.
Na Brazilian yen.
Ale lasso. Keran ki chokpe min karire.
I didn't hear. Can you say again?
Keran ki chokpe min karire.
Nie tropy min McGregor re.
Ale. McGregor kanere. Kong kanere.
I can listen to you because the internet it's not okay.
Ale. Kong kanere. Oh, internet yago yosama.
Tenzila, is it your net or is it my net? Or is everybody
I think,
feeling it's your?
Yeah, it's Tencent, I think.
Yeah, okay. I thought it was my net. I check, it's full. Okay.
Okay. Let me check. Okay. Kamachi go. I will open the door. Maybe it's better.
It's okay now.
Okay. You want the wind to come inside with more waves. Okay.
Okay. Touch the lake. 오야. 인다. 마클라 거기두게 마르셀로라. 마르셀로라. 케랑키 족베 민 가레레.
Nie troppo min McGregor re.
알레 맥그레거 카네레.
Can America ne re.
알레 라슬라소. 아니 카파르디니 맥그레거 키레페.
Mare Capardi, McGregor ki mare Capardi, Keranki re.
야골랍송. 투지체. 투지체 마르셀로라. 다 마크라 인다 마크라.
Tashidele.
프레시델레 마글라. 케랑키 족메 민 가레레.
Nge Trokmo or Trokpo?
족모이 or 족메.
Trokmu Nge Trokmu Ming Meganre.
알레 콩 가네레.
Kong Texas Nere.
알레 라슬라소. 다인다. 탭디초 콩키레페.
Teptitso Karankire.
콩키 마르베.
Mare Teptitso Tenzinkire.
라소 투지체. 투지체 마글라. 오케이 옌홍라인다 옌홍라. 옌홍라. You can ask me any of these questions. Try it.
Keranki 족불 민 가르레.
오, 네 족불 민 군가레. 니마레. 네 족불 민 군가당 니마레.
콩 가넨제.
군가 베네레. 니마 하코마송.
알레.
아니
계랑 족불 민 가르레.
계란키 족물 민.
계랑키 족불 민 가르레.
네 족물 민라 소냐레.
알레. 계랑키 부크 민 가르레.
오, 나라 부쿠메.
알레. 뜻이.
투지체 빼하고. 아니 옌홍라 계란 대보인베.
나대보인.
라슬라소. 아니 옌홍라 계란키 족불 민 가레레.
나 족불 민 계상제.
네 족불.
네 족불 민 계상제.
알레. 계산 대보레베.
콩 대보레.
라소. That's it. 탭디소 계산키 마르베.
마제 탭디처 키랑키제 콩키 마제.
라소. 투지체 옌홍라. 맥그레거라인다 맥그레거라. 오, 맥그레거라 계란 가네인.
Nga Scotland's neyin.
알레. 계란키 빨라키 민 가레레. 계란키 빨라키 민 가레레. 빨라 아말락. 빨라키 민 가레레. 빨락 빠빠. 계란 빨라키 민 가레레.
Nye Balak Ki Ming John Ray.
알레. 공 대보레베.
Kung Depo yin.
라소. 아니, 뎁디초 존 키레베.
Deptitso the balak ki mare.
뎁디초 수이레.
Deptitso kerankire. Deptitso tenzenkire.
That's it. 계란 키레 or 덴진 키레. Like this. 투지치. Okay. 약볼랍송. 투지치. 창마 약볼랍송. Very good. We have achieved the goal. Till now, we have learned this thing and we know how to speak it. Okay? And you have to also practice how to ask the question. Okay? Because most of the time I'm asking the question. That's why you have to also practice how to ask this question. Then we learn a phrase like Shimpoduk, right? Shimpoduk. Oh, Chadi Shimpoduk. Oh, pizza di Shimpoduk. Oh, pasta di pe Shimpoduk. Oh, mokmok di pe Shimpoduk. Like this. Okay? Then if you ask question, you can say duke. That's it. Just like a repe, you can say duke, shimpo duke. Like this. How goes on? Then your answer will be shimpo duk or shimpo minduk. Like this. Okay?
So this is a question. So K is some person asking. Okay.
Yes.
K. Okay, I was looking that this is not what we learned earlier. Okay.
Yes. This
K.
is a question.
Duke.
Chadi.
Chadi shimpo duke.
Chadi pe shimpo duk. Or chadi shimpo minduk. Like this. Okay?
Yeah. Shimpo duk or shimpo minduk. Yes. Not tasty.
Like this. Or local chips di. Mama. Pe shimpo duk.
Pe shimpo. So. Okay.
Oh yeah. Like this. Okay? Pe abulab song. Oh yeah. Okay?
Then Sila, when you say peyoko, what does it mean? What does it mean? It's good or is it okay?
It's very good. Pe yakpo. Pe shimpo. Pe yakpo. Very delicious. Pe shimpo. Pe yakpo.
Okay.
Very good. Pe yakpo. It's very good. Like this.
Yakpo. Pe yakpo.
Pe yakpo duk. Like this. But I say duk.
That means very good.
It's my personal perception and direct experience. That's why I'm saying pe yakpo duk. If it's a general,
Pe yakpo duk.
If it's a general, then pe yakpo yore. That's it. We will learn about this later. Okay. Right now we focus on duk. And when we say duk, it's your direct perception, direct experience. Okay?
Okay.
If you say pe yakpo duk, if I say pe yakpo duk, that doesn't mean everybody agree with it. Okay? Like this. The personal personal perception, personal experience.
Personal perception or personal opinion?
Experience, I would say.
Okay.
It's not
okay.
opinion.
Okay.
Like this. If you say Chadi pe shimpo duk, it's true for you. Maybe somebody else will not like it. Chadi shimpo mindu. Like this. Okay? So when you say duk, it's your personal experience, personal perception. Ako suma? Like this. Okay.
So if we say shati shimpo dukhe, it's something like asking the other person, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I would say, oh,
Shati
shimpo duk.
shimpo duk. Okay.
Right.
Or shati shimpo minu. Okay.
That's it. Chadi shimpo mindu. Or chadi.
Lasso. Chaso. Tuyeche.
Tujiche. Then we learned pa yata cha shapyuchu kasa chuk pachuk. Pachuk ruba. Okay. If I say pachuki oma, oma is milk. Okay. Pachuki oma, cow's milk. Ruba. Pachuki oma, shimpoduk. Right? Ruba. Pachuki oma, shimpoduk. Like this. Okay. So we know now a little bit about how to use this genitive particle. When we speak, we say ki, okay? But when we write down, they have to rely on suffix. Okay? Like this. Then how we rely on the suffix, it's not important right now. Okay? That's it. Okay.
So Tenzin La,
Yes, please.
could you just go back? Could you please just go back to how you spell milk?
Okay. A naro ma oma.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Last. No problem.
Tenzin La, yang ke sung thang, the line, the second line from the last, pa chuk.
Yata cha.
Pa shuk.
Ka chuk. Pachuki oma shimpoduk. Right?
Why is it ki when it is ka and then yatak?
Kya kiku.
Yeah, and then kiku or ki. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yes, because
okay. Oma shimpo duk. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Pachuki oma shimpoduk. That's like that. Or you can say Italy ki pizza shimpoduk.
Italy ki pizza. Yes, Italy ki pizza shimpoduk. Correct. Yes.
Right.
Pasta or pasta shimpoduk. Okay. Yes.
Italy ki pasta shimpoduk. France ki churra shimpoduk. We learned that churra cheese.
Yes. Cheese. Yes. Churra cheese.
Like that. So you can use these particles. Okay.
Is churra any cheese or only the dry cheese?
In Tibet, we have no habit of eating cheese like outside Tibet.
Fresh cheese, okay.
At that time, we call those dried cheese churra. But nowadays, we also call every cheese churra. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. I was going to ask the same question, Sonia, that is that churra is for all cheese or just the dry cheese? So, okay. Now we got it all, churra. But actually, Tenzin La, you have now a lot of cheese there, even in Nepal or not in Tibet. I didn't see any fresh cheese there. So what do you call in Dharamsala when you have a lot of cheese in India?
Churra.
All churra also. No, no special. Like they have the paneer and all that. So what do you call that? Also chura.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Like,
Tujuh.
okay. In Tibet,
Finland.
yes.
And Mar.
Oh, mar. Hmm. Karilabai, that's it. Mara, mar.
It's also cheese, isn't it?
Mare, mar labna butter re. Cheese mare. Sorry. Maybe in the picture it looked like a cheese. It was butter. Okay. Mar. Hmm.
Ah, butter. Okay, thank you.
Okay. The Tibetan love to take out butter from the milk. Like this. Oh yeah. Mar. Agosuma.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
dry the cheese because they have to carry it with the herd. They go in the forest and mountain for a month or two with the animal. So it's easier to carry dry cheese, dry meat, tsampa, and like this. Then they sit near the river, take the water, boil it, make black tea, make tsampa, eat dry meat, like this. Okay. 이 drogpa 하고 있으면 nomad. drogpa, pöki drogpa. pöki drogpa. Pachuki homa shimpudu. Just like this. Italy ki pizza pe shimpudu. Okay? Like this. Okay. Yeah, yenhongla inda. yenhongla semchen di karere.
생젠디 롱첸레
long mare lang chen.
랑첸 생젠디 랑첸레
lang chen 하고 그러면 if you want to write down, we all ka lata la nga lang cha ringpoche na chen lang chen 하고 그러면 okay.
Langchen is elephant.
re lang chen elephant. 빼고. 디 semchen di lang chen re semchen di pachuk re. Okay. Yeah, Jekla in the Jekla. Can you ask me this question?
Lang Chen Ki Oma Shimpo Duke.
빼고. 양결인다. now. 양결식.
Lang Chen Ki Amo Shimpo Duke.
민둑. 랑친 키오마 심부 민. Like this. Okay? Very good. 빼고. 투지치. yeah, 시월라 인다. 딜로다.
No, I don't remember how to say this.
야타 차. It's 차. Okay?
차.
파 야타 차.
파착.
Here shabkyu also. Then you add
바축. 바축.
파축.
바축. 이 엄마 심부 두께.
That's it. 양결로다. 양결.
연결?
No, 양결 송당. Can you say again?
바축 기 Oma shimpo duke.
That's it. Duk. Pe shimpo duk. Like this. That's how I will answer. How goes on?
Also.
This. Okay.
Tenzin La, why would you answer Duk? Duk twice? Duk
It's
Pe
like
Shimpo Duk.
yeah. It's same like Ray. Dithep Ray. Just like
Okay.
the
Okay.
question.
Okay. So it's something like emphasizing it again, re-emphasis. Okay.
Yes. Like this. Okay.
Pe Duk Pe Shimpo Duk. Okay.
That's it. Then we have here new word here. Ka rata cha nga chang ma naromo changmo a da shapkyudu ka duk changmo duk. It's cold. Oh, chadi changmo duk shimpo minduk. Like this. Or oh, coffee di changmo duk shimpo minduk. Like this. How goes on? The karata cha nga chang manarmo changmo. Then changmo gi dokchok opposite. Chapo. Hot. How goes on? Chapo. Okay. Then today we will learn a new sentence. Okay. I'll write down here. Karata chang atang manarumo changmo du. Like this. And sa po duk. Like this. Okay. Okay. Nurmala in the Nurmala. Nurmala.
Yeah.
Dilodhang.
Persia Gebe.
Percha Gupe. Percha Gupe. Percha is a butter tea, salt tea. Okay. Tibetan tea. Percha Gupe. Gupe is a question. You want Tibetan tea? You want pizza? Pizza Gupe.
Gebe want.
Percha Gupe. Like this. Okay. So
Akusa.
want is maybe direct, but you can say it in any would you like or anything. So that's like a gupe, pecha gupe. Agosma.
Akosonga.
Lasso tujiche. Then answer will be pecha gu or just gu. Okay. You are saying want or need. This is not always want. Sometimes need, sometimes want. But right now,
Pocha. So when you say pocha, that means buttermilk, huh? Understood as buttermilk.
yeah,
It's actually Tibetan tea.
yeah, Tibetan tea, pho, Tibetan tea.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's understood as butter tea.
Really?
Okay. Okay. Pocha gupe.
Gupe, tha ga,
Gupe.
go sa, gu,
Gu and
sa,
then pa sa pe.
gupe.
Pocha gupe. Okay.
Pecha gupe. Right? Or if I add adjective, pecha chapo gupe. Like this. Okay?
Okay. Pocha chapo dupe. Okay. Yeah.
Gupe, gupe.
Gupe, gupe, gupe.
Sonia inda, Sonia Sonia coffee sapo gupe.
Coffee Zapo.
Coffee sapo or pecha sapo gu, you can say if you want. Okay?
Good. And then, okay, then that's the answer. Only good.
Okay, you can just say
Coffee Zapo good.
that's it, or you can just say gu like this.
Okay.
How goes it?
If suppose we say no, we don't want, then
Migu.
okay, migu, straight migu. Okay, so pucha, chapo, migu. Okay, I don't like butter tea. I don't like the taste. No.
Yeah.
That means I don't want, right? I don't want.
Really?
This means I don't want. No. So if I say I don't like, so what is the word?
That's different. We will
Okay.
come to that later.
Okay, so this means I don't want. Okay, pucha, chapo, mi,
Gu.
go.
Migu or gu, like this. Okay.
And I just wanted to ask, it's g, not k, because of the prefix? Is that right?
You are
Okay.
right. Like this. Very good. That's why you all pronunciation is good. Like this. Pecha sapo migu. Or gu. Or pizza gu. Pasta migu. Like this.
Sorry, what was me? What was me?
It's a negative, migu.
Me is negative. Yeah, that's
no.
Okay. Don't break it down.
So if we just say I want is go. So if I just want it, simply I can say go. That means yes.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
say good. Okay. Pecha sapo gupe. You can say good. Like this, if you want. If you don't want, you can say migu, tujiche. Pecha sapo migu. Like this. Tujiche is like a thank you. Like this. Okay? Pecha sapo gupe. Pecha sapo migu. Coffee sapo gu. Like this. You can even choose. Oh, pasta gupe. Oh, pasta migu. Pizza gu. Like this. Pizza migu. Mokmok gu. Mokmok migu. Tukpa gu. Like this. Pagleb gu. Marb gu. Chura gu. Like this.
Tukpagru.
Tukpa gu. Like this. Okay, let's practice. Okay. Suimbe kamachikua. Yeah, Marcelo la. Di Marcelo la in di ngare. Loa.
Pecha di. Trenmo. Dukshingpo. Miduk.
That's it. Keep a gap between this. Pecha di tangmoduk. Pecha di tangmoduk. Shimpo minduk. Yanker sunda.
Then say like it's Tangmo, not Trangmo, right? Tangmo.
장모. 가라다 tra, nga trang.
Okay, Trangmo. Okay.
Marcelo la Giancarlo tang.
Puecha di tran moduk shinpo miduk.
That's it. You had a sip of pöja and then you said, oh, pöja di 장모 duk. It's cold. Love you, ba? pöja di 장모 duk. 심보 민두. Okay. Then I asked, pöja 차보 괴배. pöja 차보 괴배.
Good.
라소 디 차보레.
On di sapo duk shinpo yin.
심보 양 duk. 양아 양.
Yanduk. Yanduk.
Yang here is also. Di chapo duk. This is hot. Shimpo yang duk. Also delicious.
Okay.
What is the first word, Tenzin? Om.
It's like a gesture of yes, like this. Okay. Oh, like this.
Ong.
Okay. 투지치 Marcelola. Okay. Yeah, McGregor la inda. McGregor la. Bebe. McGregor la dilo. Kiran di in. Nga di re.
Oh, cha di.
Jared, you can hear me.
Okay, anyone. Lo.
Becha di Trangmo Duk Shingpo Mi Duk.
That's it. Pecha di Trangmo duk. Shimpo min duk. Like this. Okay? Then I ask you.
Wait, you said?
Yes, please.
You said Minduk, but I don't see the N. I only see me.
Okay. Here. Minduk. Here. Okay?
Okay. But is it me or meme?
Okay. Min mare. It's me. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Like this. Okay? There are four negative letters. Ma, min, ma, mi, min, me. And ma and me goes before. Min and me goes at the end. So here this goes before the duk. Okay? Like this. Okay. Oh, you said Pöja di Trangmo duk, Shimpo min duk. Like this. Okay? Then I ask you, Pöja chapo gobe.
Gay. Gay.
Go.
Go. Go. Go. Go.
Lasso. Di chapore.
Ong di sapo duk shimpo yang duk.
That's it. Shimpo yang.
Shimpo yang.
Yang also. Agosuna.
Oh, okay.
Yang also. You may hear ngayang depoyin. I am also fine. Ngayang depoyin. Like this.
So yang means also,
Yes, yes.
but it is connected or separate word. Like shimpo yang, is it one word or is it separate?
Yes, it's, you can say separate. Okay.
Okay, but there is the dot is after the yang, not before the after the not in between shimpo and yang.
Yes, yes, there are dot here. Shakiku shimma shim dot. Panariko dot.
Oh, there is dot very small. Okay, okay, okay. When you're large, then you can see. Otherwise, cannot. Okay,
These bigger dots, you need to take a gap.
okay.
Di
Understand? Yeah.
sapo duk. Po yang
Shimpo.
duk. Like
Okay.
okay.
Shimpo yang duk. Okay. Yeah. Tugje
That's all. That's it. Okay. Yeah, anyone? Nurmala in there, Nurmala.
La.
Pecha di changmu duk. Shimpo min duk.
Persha shapo gebe.
Good, good.
Lasso di shapo de.
Oh, di sapo duk. Shimpo yang duk. Just like that. Tujiche, Nurmala. Okay? Oh yeah. So here, Lamala or Konki, Pecha sapo gube. Like this. Agosma. Then, oh, Pecha sapo gu. Gu. Oh, di sapo duk. Shimpo yang duk. Just like that. Okay? Yeah.
And nga, sorry, nga yang is me too.
Yes. Ngayang depoyin. Me too, fine. Like this. I'm also fine. It's sometimes true, sometimes also. You can say both. Yang, ngayang depoyin. Yeah, Nimala in there, Nimala. Nimala. Pecha di changmo duk. Shimpu min duk. Nimala yubi. Ale, Nimala.
Nian Xin Yu.
Lasso.
Xinda.
Inda. Pecha di changmo duk. Shimpu min duk.
Pecha sapo duge.
Sapo
Oh, sorry. Pecha sapo gopa. Gope.
Good.
Lasso di sapore.
Oh, di sapo duk. Shimpu yang duk. Just like that. Okay? Now let's do Anne Claire and Sonia La. Di Sonia La re. Di Anne Claire La inda. Yeah. Sonia La di re. Di Anne Claire La re.
That's
Yeah.
Pecha di Trangmo duk Shimpo minduk.
Perja sapo sapo gope.
Go.
Lasso di sapore.
On di Sapoduk. Shimpo Yangduk.
That's very good. Yakulosu. Very good.
Tenzin, may I ask a question?
Yes, please.
We have today tang for cold and ca for hot.
Really?
If I put these two together, I get tang ca. What does it mean?
Not tangsa, tsatang. Tsatang.
Cha-chang.
Tsatang means temperature. Okay? Like this. Then if you put them together, tsatang, it will become temperature. In English. But there are a lot of words like this. We add a noun, cut noun, and add together becomes different. There are many like this. Lasso tujiche nimala. Oh yeah, ta inda yeah. Mark tang siwat inda. Di siwat lain, di mark in.
Beja di tangmo duk. Shimpo mi duk.
Bocha sapo gupe.
Gu.
Ale.
Sorry, lasso.
Oh, Lazzo. Lasso. What is it? Lasso di. Dit sapore.
Undi sapo duk. Shimpo yang duk.
That's it. Fair. Okay. In the Yen Hong Tang, Marcelo la inda. Di Yen Hong Yin, di Marcelo Yin.
Beja di Chongmo duk. Shimpo min duk.
Chat sapo gupe.
Ge.
Lasso. Dit sapore.
Di Sapo duk. Shimpo yang duk.
Fair. Just like this, we practice, okay? You can say slowly, and then say it 2-3 times, you are okay. Okay? That's it, 빼하고. 다하고송아, 배차 차보 그빼, 그, like this. Or 미그. Okay? Oh yeah. 야골랍송. Okay. That's it. So I think today we stop here, okay? Very good. Today is mainly practice. We tried to practice speaking. We did good. Keep on practicing well. Lasso.
Thank you.
Jeche.
I want to continue this class. And if the A0 finish, I will start A1, A2. Then we can go up. Okay?
Okay.
So please. Lasso.
Thank you. Good night, Dharam Salam.
Bye.
Thanks to everyone participation.
Thank you, everybody. Bye. See you Friday. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.